Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given a beautiful math expression that is 25 divided 5 by 8 times 8. It looks simple, right? Still many people confused and reach at wrong answer. Why? Because they cancel out the 8 with 8 and then divide 25 by 5 and their answer is 5, which is the wrong answer because they did not follow the right approach. When you have given multiple operation in an expression, that means there is a division sign and then there is a multiplication sign as well, then you have to give priority and follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket if given, then order of, then division, multiplication both have same priority. You have to solve it from left to right, but then multiplication, addition. So as we said that division and multiplication have same priority, just you have to solve it from left to right. So if we solve from left to right, so first there is a division sign. So how can you solve this? 25 divided 5 by 8 by following KCF rule. So where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. So let's apply this rule. Keep the left hand, that is 25, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So 5 by 8, when we flip, we'll write 8 by 5. Then write the left opposite, that is multiply 8. Now we have only one operation left. Let's solve it. Cancel out the 5 and 25 with 5 times 8 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40 times 8 is 320. So what is the correct answer? 320, not 5. I hope each and every step is clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.